So this is the lip splitter from Garagistics. This is like their 2.0 or like the revised one. I ordered it pre-ordered it like 2 years ago. That's when they still had the plastic one, but then they decided not to sell it, and they said like they don't like the quality of it and they're gonna like refinish it or redo it. So this is it. They did it in aluminum, not plastic, and it's powder coated black with the wrinkle finish, and they added this like center section right here like with the vents or something, but looks really nice. I like it. And this one is quite a bit more expensive than the plastic ones that they had, since this one's aluminum. It's harder to make and stuff, and I mean it is really better quality, but it's definitely worth the wait. But yeah, I'm gonna install it and I'll show you guys how it looks and how I'm gonna do it, because I'm probably one of the first ones to get it in this 2.0 version with aluminum. And yeah, I think it's gonna look really sick on this thing. So I finally got this splitter mounted. This is how I did it. 3 bolts on the sides, and then 4 bolts in the center, and these big washers, so that takes up more surface and stronger and doesn't fly off or anything. And then stainless steel bolts on, and stainless steel bolts and nuts. I think it's gonna look pretty good. Hopefully it doesn't fall off or break off anything. And yeah, I put these small bolts on the side so you're not gonna be seen too much. And yeah, I could have made it stick out a little more. As you can see, I left a little here, but I wanted this part to line up, so that's why I did that. And if I would put it right on the edge, then it'd be weaker too. Like, it wouldn't hold it as strong. But this is pretty much it. I also decided to replace these clips that hold it. They're broken, and they don't really hold anything, so I just ordered some new ones. And how you take them off is just you drill these 2 little tabs here, and you just drill them through and it just comes out. And then you have this one here, and it has these little let me unpackage it. Has these little like pins, and then you just punch them in with like a punch, and then you're good. Well, there you go. I'm gonna start with this jack. I think it looks really sick. I think this looks amazing. It's honestly pretty freaking rigid. I think these clips and all these bolts really stiffen this thing out. Yeah, this thing's like part of the bumper now. I don't think it's going anywhere, hopefully. But that's it. Leave a like if this helps you out, and Thanks for watching.
Ain't gotta wait to make them moves, I be loaded. Why you out here drinking 40s? I just told it. Still that same nigga in a foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, acting sporty, can't control it. I'm doing fraud, got that bag, yeah, I'm transporting. I got that bag on me, nigga, like I'm